Hey, welcome to Just Chevy Trucks. Today we're looking at a 2002 GMC 2500 HD. Got the LQ4 6-liter in it. It's an iron block, aluminum head, sitting right around 300 horse. This one looks like she might have clipped a tree or something, not quite sure. Let's go inside and take a look at the vitals. Here we go. Alright, just about up to temp. Setting about 42 pounds of oil pressure. Let's see how she sounds. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. The mid-mileage engine, about 190,000 miles on it, as you can see there. There it is. LS engines are great for standalone packages. Basically, you can fit it in anything. You can put it in just about anything it'll fit in. We also do, like I said, we do standalone packages. So give us a call here at Just Chevy Trucks. The number is 207-457-5500.